Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is Service Provider Company is not servant. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many types of service provider and client relationships existing in corporate world. Now, how it happens? The client organization takes certain services from service provider organization, and service provider organization is supposed to provide those services in return of some money. Clients, they give money, financial benefits to their service provider in return of the services that they are giving to the clients. Now, in this process of providing appropriate services to the clients, sometimes representatives of service provider organization, they remain at client location. Two or three members of service provider company, they always stay at client location, at client organization, depending upon the needs and requirements of the client. What they have to do over there, they have to look after everything in terms of the services that they are providing to their clients. For example, suppose there is a service provider company who has installed a technical device at client's location. It is the responsibility of service provider organization that one or two representatives of service provider organization, they must stay at client location permanently, and they should look after welfare of that particular device, that particular machinery that they have installed at client location. Now, they visit client location regularly, just like the rest of their employees visit, and their only task is to maintain the technical device that has been installed by them at client location on daily basis. If any fault happens, they must take care of it. They must try to remove that fault, and they must try to give best quality services to their clients. But ladies and gentlemen, sometimes it happens that since they are providing services to the clients, some of the members of client team, they start thinking that service providers are their servant. They have this egoistic feeling in their mind that since they are clients, they are superior to service provider, and they can talk to service provider representative in any way they like. That's why in this process, they always disrespect service provider employee who is working at their location. They never talk respectfully to service provider employees. They always think that they are superiors, and service provider employees, they are inferior in every way as compared to the client employees. They have this egoistic feeling in their mind, and because of this egoistic feeling, they always keep disrespecting and humiliating the the service provider representative that is working at their company's location. Now, this is a very bad attitude, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very bad attitude. Disrespecting the service provider representative that is working at your location. Here, I straight away want to say one thing to such organizations who are involved in disrespecting service provider representative, that try to understand the reason, the real reason that why you require services of that particular service provider. Straight away, I'm sorry to use these words, because you are not capable yourself to operate that machinery properly. I just want to say this thing straight away to all the egoistic clients, that since you are incapable, since you are not having knowledge of operating a particular machinery, that's why you are seeking help of other organizations, those who are your service providers. This is the real reason that why you require a service provider, because if you are yourself intelligent and knowledgeable, if you are having all the knowledge in the world to operate every type of technical device and non-technical device, why would you require any service provider at the very first place. If you are intelligent, you are knowledgeable, you are superior, you can handle everything on your own. And multitasking is a way of life in modern corporate sector. If you think that you are intelligent enough, why don't you do your task yourself? Why you are demanding service provider? At the very first place, you are demanding service provider because you are absolutely incapable of operating that machinery. That's why, in a very straightforward manner, I am saying this. I'm sorry I'm using these words, but this is the fact of life. I'm sorry I'm using such kind of sentences, but this is a fact of life. Since you are absolutely incapable of operating that particular device, operating that particular machinery and technology, that's why you require service provider. And when intelligent and talented service providers are providing every type of facility to you according to your requirement, according to your needs and aspirations, and in return, you are misbehaving with the representatives of service provider company at your office location. You have this illogical feeling in your mind, that service providers are your servant in any way. Since they are providing you services, since they are looking after your machinery at your location, that's why you think that they are your servants. They are your slaves. They are not your slaves. On the other hand, you are totally dependent on them. If they leave your organization is nothing. Because nobody else from your organization knows how to operate that device, how to operate that technology. Nobody from your organization knows that how to work on that particular technology for which you have hired a service provider. You are absolutely zero in terms of knowledge related to that particular machinery for which you have hired a service provider. You are absolutely zero. That's why you need help of service provider. So please don't think that since you are a client, you are superior in any way. Of course, you may be superior in the business that you are doing. Definitely, you are 100% perfect in the business that you are doing. But if you are disrespecting service providers, it clearly means that you are having a very bad mentality and you are absolutely unprofessional. If any type of client is doing such kind of things with the representatives of service provider company, I will straight away say that that particular client is absolutely unintelligent client, absolutely having no knowledge at all, no ethics, no professionalism. They have nothing. They are just running their business and that's all. They have no professional ethics, they have no moral values, they have no human values. This is the real character of such type of people who are behaving in a bad way with their service providers. And once again, I would like to repeat this statement that please don't forget that since you are absolutely unaware of that particular technology, since you are having zero knowledge of a particular kind of technology, you are absolutely zero in it. That's why you require help of service provider organizations. Always remember that. I want to say this thing to all the autocratic and useless organizations in this world who are always involved in humiliating service provider representative at their office location. I just want to say this thing to all those useless organizations that if you are doing like this, always remember that only because of that particular service provider representative, your organization is working properly in that particular technology for which you have hired that service provider. Only because of his hard work and dedication. If he leaves your organization, that particular task for which you have hired him, that task is going to give you huge financial losses at the end of financial year. Only because of this particular bad behavior of yours, you will face heavy financial losses because yourself, you are absolutely zero. You are absolutely incapable of working on that technology for which you have hired service provider. Hiring a service provider is not initially a matter of establishing goodwill with other organizations or establishing mutual understanding with other organizations. No, hiring a service provider at the very first place straight away means that you are having no knowledge of a particular technology. That's why you are compelled to take help of other organizations. Since you are absolutely zero about a particular technology, that's why you require help of other organizations. If you are having your own employees who are knowledgeable about a particular technology, why are you going to pay some other organization to operate your machineries? If you think that your own employees are highly intelligent and highly knowledgeable, I don't think there is need to hire any kind of service provider. Your own company employees, they can manage everything on their own and provide you huge benefits in return. But realize this reality, all the autocratic organizations who are disrespecting their service provider. You are absolutely zero. That's why you need help of service provider. And when some service provider is working honestly for growth of your company, for growth of your organization, he is providing consistent services related to the technologies that you are having in your organization. He is working with full dedication 24/7, and still you are misbehaving with that representative. Still you are trying to prove that you are superior than that representative and he is inferior to you in every way. This is absolutely not done. If such organizations are showing such kind of attitude, they can never grow. They can never grow. And if such organizations, they continue with this thing, I have to say only one thing to such useless organizations, that you are nothing, you are absolutely nothing. Without the help of service provider, you are zero. You are a big zero. So please, it is my request to all the organizations in the world that if there is a service provider who is providing you 24/7 consistent services related to a tool or a technology, please respect that representative who is working tirelessly at your location for the benefit of your organization. Please respect that person. He deserves respect. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.